Hello traders, how are you all doing? Today is the 8th of December 2025 and this is our manipulation video 102. So we are looking at the US oil on the daily time frame. This chart is sideways. Yeah, so we were pushing down and then we've gone sideways. Yeah, so we're trading sideways. So if you take a look at your charts, yeah, when you're going sideways, let me just show you the sideways. So this is the sideways. So we're trading sideways. All right. So when you look at your chart, and if you're trading sideways, what they tend to do is they would give us trend lines. Yeah. For example, I just zoomed up for you. For example, um, this this is a trend line from the low. Yeah. So they give us that trend line at the bottom. And then at the top, they'll also give you a trend line at the top. Yeah, you get something like this. Yeah, something like that. So I zoomed that for you. So when the market came up, we had the first rejection there. Yeah, this rejection there. And then we pushed down and then we had the rejection at the low, at the bottom. Yeah. So we had this first one and this second one. Okay. So we then pushed up and then we rejected second time right here on the top trend on the top trend line. Yeah. um and then we bounced down. We didn't quite get to the second touch of the bottom trend line, but then we pushed up and we had a third rejection at the top trend line. Okay, so when the first rejection occurred and the bottom one occurred, um, you wouldn't pay any interest at this. Yeah. But when the second one happened, the second rejection, this is when traders will start paying interest at this level. Yeah. So two touches of a trend line. Yeah. Sorry, two touches at the top is a trend line, but the third one is a confirmation of the trend line. Yeah. So the third touch here was our confirmation. All right. So by the time you've seen the second one, the third one will catch your eyes and then you jump in and take the trade. Yeah. If you take this trade here, your stops will be above the trend line, will be above the trend line. Yeah. And your target will be the lows. Yeah. I just take that out. Let me just take this out. Yeah. So because we did not get second touch of this bottom trend line, so you wouldn't take this as a trend line. Yeah, because there's no second touch, not until you get to this second touch. Yeah, so if you've taken this short, yeah, you'll be aiming this low right there. Yeah, you'll be aiming this low right here, this low here, and you didn't quite get to that low. Yeah, unless you've understood that this is the second touch of the trend bottom trend line, then you'll be able to take your profits. Yeah, but if you're not aware of this, you'll be holding on to your trade. All right, and your stops will be above the trend line, the top trend line. Okay, so um, when the market pushed retraced back again, yeah, this is a supply zone where the supply and demand traders will go short at. Yeah, if they join the trade and go short, their stops will be also be above the level. Yeah, and they'll be aiming again the low to my left. Yeah, and then so the trend line traders will then validate this second touch um, as a trend line, and then this will be the confirmation to go long also. Yeah, So if they've gone long at the bottom here, the stops are all going to be below this level. All right, this trend line. Yeah. So then what happened was the market came. Yeah. So when they're going to take you out, they go out aggressively, like I said in my previous videos. Yeah. So what they done was they pushed up. Yeah. Let me zoom this for you. You will see that we then broke to the upside with engulfing candle. Yeah. So this engulfing candle, like I always say, is what they do is they come in to take out any stop to the left. Yeah. So anyone's have gone short here, yeah, they will come in to take them out. All right. So then uh, then have this engulfing candle right there. Yeah. So if you're waiting for confirmation of the breakout, you will jump in after this engulfing candle right here. Yeah, you will jump in to go long because we've broke out of a trend line. Yeah, so we jump in to go long. So once you've done that, you're in. Your stops will be below this candle because this is a daily candle. Your stop will be below maybe this first breakout candle. Yeah, or this low. I'm not sure you have that big account to put your stops below this low. Yeah, but even if you did, they still came back to take you out. All right. So again, we then had a breakout to the bottom with these engulfing bearish candles. Again, you expect traders to jump in and go short. Yeah. So if you've gone short here, and you had this confirmation candle, and you added more to your short, and then you had a retracement to the level, you've also gone short. Yeah. Um, they have done what? They've come and took you out. Yeah. Can you see how aggressive again they've been? They've gone up to take you out. All right. So, where are we today? Okay, so this is a live market. So this is where we are. So basically, I preach do not buy or sell breakouts. Yeah, they do not last. They are there to take you to make you to basically get you broke. Yeah. So breakouts, avoid them. In all situations, do not take any breakouts. Yeah. So they are um, they are created to deal with you as a trader. So this is the first one, and also this is the second one. All right. So this is manipulation 102 trade. All right. So we'll do the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye now.